I'd like to welcome you all this evening to the launch of the Seren for Flintshire and Wrexham Hub. My name is Dr. Erasmus and I am the Hub Coordinator. I hope that you found everything this evening informative and are inspired by the opportunities offered through Seren, which I am sure will lead to some very exciting intellectual adventures and journeys, and we look forward to sharing some of them with you as part of the Flintshire and Wrexham Hub. Seren has certainly been successful in increasing both the number of applications and the number of offers received by Welsh students for Oxbridge places, and that applies to Flintshire and Wrexham as well. For example, I'm talking mainly about 2019, Cambridge University made the highest number of offers to state-educated Welsh students, meaning a 31% success rate for applicants. Further, participants on the Seren Jesus College Summer School in 2018 for entrance in 2019 attained the highest offer rate to date, with 11 out of the 41 applicants being offered places at Oxford. Seren is about much more than Oxford and Cambridge, as we target leading universities in the UK and more recently overseas. The summer of 2019, we will talk about 2020 shortly, was a busy one for Seren students across Wales and in particular here in Flintshire and Wrexham. 30 students in Wales attended the Yale Summer School, 28 in the USA and 2 at their campus in Beijing. 23 students attended the Harvard Summer School, and a further 27 were selected by Fulbright and had the opportunity to spend some time at the leading universities in the US over the summer. As I say, Flintshire and Wrexham Hub students were well represented in all of these opportunities. I think it is an important point worth emphasising that Seren alone will not and cannot get that place at a top university for any individual student. However, it will provide opportunities for these selected students to develop themselves and to gain confidence to embark upon the undoubted challenge an application to a top university brings with it. And in Flintshire and Wrexham Hub, we will have, aside from the national opportunities that you will have heard about this evening, a range of activities for Seren students to take part in, both in Year 12 and up to Christmas in Year 13, when we support students making their ambitious applications at that critical time. So, Seren has had to adapt to the COVID-19 crisis, along with everybody else, of course. The face-to-face events that we saw in 2019 did not take place this year. Nevertheless, Seren students took part in an impressive range of events that have enabled them to create excellent personal statements in preparation for their forthcoming university applications. And I have had the enjoyment and privilege of reading many of them as part of the service that Seren provides to this cohort of students. The best way to look back on the summer of 2020 and the opportunities that have been on offer is to let the students themselves tell of their experiences and reflect on what they have gained from being part of Seren. Hello Isaac, could you tell us which virtual Seren Summer School you attended this summer?
So I attended the Seren Equal Education in collaboration with Jesus College at Oxford.
And could you give me a summary of what you learned whilst you were there, any highlights that you enjoyed particularly?
So I did the Maths and Physical Sciences Summer School, and yeah, complete engagement in loads of different areas. We looked at space exploration, all the way to fluid mechanics, which was a highlight for me. That was really interesting. It was led by an MIT student in Boston, and yeah, really engaging.
Was it lectures or was it seminars?
It was a mix of lectures and seminars. This particular one was a smaller group, so it was quite discussion based, and we all got to share ideas.
And were you asked to do any work?
Yes, so by the end, it was a 3-week summer school, so we were asked to complete a project. So mine was to develop a housing solution for the year 2100, I believe. So personally, I was asked to present that to members of the Welsh Government at the end of the 3 weeks, which was great.
Thank you. What are your plans for the future?
So I'm going to apply for physics at Oxford and several other unis, Nottingham, Manchester, and Durham, and hopefully we'll just go from there.
Isaac, thank you very much indeed.
No worries.
Hello Anna, I wonder if you could tell me how Seren has supported you in your application this year.
Rwy wedi cael y cyfle I ymgyrchu yn y cwrs Seren Pathways to Medicine yna sy'n ni'n mynd pob wythnos I Ysgol Glen Clwyd gan ddysgu am sut I fod yn feddyg.
Can you give me a summary of what you've learned on this course?
Yna sy'n ni'n dysgu am sut I fod yn feddyg fel y sgiliau rhanfodol yn ogystal a pob wythnos rhaid dysgu am rhywbeth o topic yna sy'n rhaid cyflwyno I bawb mewn modd dealladwy. Yn ogystal, rwyf wedi dysgu am sut i'n mynd yn dda yn y UCAT, sef rhan hanfodol I fod yn feddyg.
And what are your plans for the future?
Rwy'n gobeithio fod yn feddyg, rwy'n gobeithio mynd I brifysgol, rwy'n edrych ar brifysgol York Hull, Caerdydd yn ogystal a Exeter a St Andrews.
Anna, thank you very much and best wishes to you for the future.
Diolch yn fawr, thank you.
Hello Olivia, what virtual Seren Summer School did you attend this year?
Hello, I attended Yale Young Global Scholars and did politics, law and economics. I also attended a summer school with Oxford where I did maths and physical sciences for 3 weeks, and JP Morgan Chase & Co where I interned for 2 weeks and got a feel of like the office, what it's like to work in finance.
Thank you. Could you give us a summary of what you've learned in any of those summer schools?
Of course. So in politics, law and economics, it was set up into seminars, lectures and family time. So even though I wasn't there, it was virtual, I really got to make friends. I'm still in touch with them now. We're going through university applications together. I attended seminars on US-China relations, the Thucydides trap. So it really gave me a feel for each of the subjects, which has really helped me going into university, applying for my personal statement. It's been absolutely amazing. So give an example of a lecture, we did Isaiah Berlin's concept of liberty. So we went through positive and negative freedom, the impact that has on institutions across the world. It was incredible for giving me like a global view of politics and economics.
Okay, thank you very much. And what are your plans for the future?
I'm currently going through the process of applying for philosophy, politics and economics at the University of Oxford, Edinburgh, Exeter, York and Edinburgh.
Olivia, thank you very much indeed and best wishes.
Thank you and best wishes for everybody applying.
Hello Mary, how has Seren supported you in making your application this autumn?
Wel mae Seren, y rhywbeth Seren wedi helpu fi trwy wneud lot o stuff gwahanol. O'n I ddigon ffodus o'n I ddi Lerpwl efo Seren ac o'n i'n cael tor o'r campus ac o'n I hefyd I fod yn ddigon ffodus I gael mynd I Fenyw Cymru ac cael darlith efo Bangor I wneud seicoleg a seicoleg dwi eisiau wneud yn y brifysgol a mae Bangor yn un o dewisiadau fi wan, so yeah.
Yeah. And can you tell me what your plans are for the future?
Felly dwi eisiau gwneud seicoleg ac dwi wedi wneud fy nghais wan a dwi wedi plaio I St Andrews, Caeredin, Caerdydd, Bangor a Lerpwl. A mae Sarah wedi helpu fi efo hwnna achos dwi wedi cael lot o arweiniad efo fy ddatganiad personol bob dim. Yeah.
Thank you, Mary. Thank you very much indeed. Hello, Josh. Can you tell me which virtual Seren Summer School you attended this year?
I attended the summer school that was run by Jesus College in Oxford in collaboration with Seren. It was as a replacement for the Harvard summer school that I originally applied for, but obviously couldn't attend due to the COVID-19 crisis.
And could you give me a summary of what you learned on this summer school?
Well, it ran for about 3 weeks, so there were loads of different lectures, some that were more relevant to what I wanted to study, so which is maths, but there were others just in general about kind of the applications of maths and more to do with physics and chemistry. One of the most interesting ones, in my opinion, was one about extraterrestrial colonisation. So it was talking about which planets in our solar system we could possibly colonise in the future and how we go about doing that, and it was really interesting.
Thank you. Now, can you tell us something about your plans for the future, where you've applied and what you intend to do?
Yeah, so hopefully I'll be going to study maths. I am applying to the University of Oxford, but we'll see how that turns out. I'm also applying to Durham, Bath, Manchester and Cardiff.
Josh, thank you very much indeed.
Thank you.
And a special thank you to the students who have given their time to inform us of what Seren has offered them over the last few months and how it has enabled them to improve the quality of their personal statements, which are just now being submitted for early application. So, finally, a couple of reminders. Please make sure that you enrol onto Seren via the invitation email, although we will not be able to communicate with you and send you invitations to the various events that will happen over the next months. If there are any issues, please speak to your head of sixth form and they will take them up for you. And I obviously look forward to meeting you all over the next year or so. So finally, welcome to Seren.